In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Since I'm recording tutorials almost every day, every time new iPhone shows up, I get a lot of questions about printing. That's probably because there are no printing settings in devices settings on iOS devices. Let me explain. First of all, you need to pick a file you wanna print and launch it. I will go with this photo. Now, look for this type of button. It's usually at the bottom left corner in every iOS app. And scroll to access print. Click on it and wait for the pop-up to show. When it does, select printer at the top. Wait for above ones to show, and when they do, tap on the one you wanna connect to. Then adjust all of those options. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. So now I can tap on presets here to pick one of those options. Select number of copies. Decide if I want to print in color thanks to this switcher, and either select paper size. I have only one available though, so I will go back. Most people don't know that you should actually scroll all the way down in those options to access media and quality section, then adjust it however you wish to. Tap on Fit From and pick a tray. Select media type and apply one of those many options by clicking on a perfect one. And last but definitely not least, hit print quality to apply the one you want. To print, tap on this blue button at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!